Hi, I'm Andrew Morgan, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Here to talk to you about the four-wheeled rolling walker, or rollator. Well, it's the luxury model of walkers. So let me show you how it all works. The very first thing, unlike other walkers, this one is really not adjustable. If it needs to be adjusted, you need to talk to your therapist or another clinician to try to help you adjust it appropriately. What I do want to show are the safety features. The first one are the handbrakes. Okay, I hold it down just like so. That's if I want to hold it temporarily. Now, if I want to lock it in place, for example, I want to sit down on it, I'm going to move it around behind me, but before I sit on it, I'm going to push down, lock it in place. Now it's safe for me to sit. Now, while I'm sitting, I want the brakes firmly locked. I don't take the brakes off so that someone can push me around. These chairs will tip over and you're gonna wind up on the floor if you attempt that. So I'm gonna stand up, I'll move it back in front of me, and the final feature I wanna show is how you fold it up. A lot of people ask questions, how do I get this into my car? It's very simple. I lift up the seat, and right in the middle, there's a bar. I lift up, and it folds in place.